Oh, it's lovely.
मुझे लगता है
Best feeling in the
because
world.
मैं भी खाला हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है खाला being a खाला and फुप्पो भी it's like one of the best feelings.
It is.
आप देखते हैं ना उस अपने भतीजे या भांजी को
Yeah.
और अगर वो आपको हग करे स्माइल करे तो आपका मुझे लगता है 4 किलो खून वैसे ही भर जाता है.
No, I think this is. I've never felt like this before. This is the best feeling in the world.
Do you remember when you held her for the
First time, oh my god, of
आंसू?
course I do.
कितना
Yes.
रो रही थी?
मतलब it was very overwhelming. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
So I kept looking at her and looking at Urva and looking at her. It was really you know we keep saying Urva and I कि अभी हमारी एक third girlfriend आ गई है ना. So
बल्कि आपने ये बात बोला इतना सरप्राइजिंग बात है. आप बोल रही थी और मेरे जहन में सवाल आ रहा था कि उर्वा कंप्लेन कर रही है कि यार मुझे तुम लोग इग्नोर कर रहे हो आज.
never. How can I ignore Urva?
No, because of
Urva is
baby
my.
जो है ना, I
No,
know,
no, no.
but the baby takes precedence in everything.
No,
ना like नहीं?
मतलब I love Ara, but you know Urva is my heart. I love her the
So
most.
do you have a special name for her? Yeah,
For Ara,
हाँ.
I call
Your
her.
own, yours.
I call her Aru Paru.
भाई वो दूल्हा जा रहा है और दूल्हा कह रहा है मेरी दुल्हन को यहाँ लो. हम कह रहे नहीं हम तुम्हें दुल्हन नहीं दे रहे, हम इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं. दूल्हा को भी बुलाते हैं
Yeah.
अभी. या पीछे पूरी बारात जा रही है. As you guys can hear the noise.
Yeah.
अच्छा, so what do you want her to call you? चलें जी, in 2-3 minutes Mavra will be going to do the
No,
lip
but I'll
syncing.
come back.
हाँ,
I'll
she'll
come
come back. हाँ. आज ये different interview हो रहा है हमारी, चलती रहेगी.
On and
आपको
off.
live हम अपडेट देने के सेट पे
Location
शूट
पे.
कैसे हो रहा
जी.
है. अच्छा, so what do you have a special name that you think she should call you when she starts talking?
She should call me.
हाँ.
I would want that when she inshallah starts speaking, whatever it is that comes out of her mouth,
Wow.
inshallah.
Yeah, yeah.
Like पहले मैंने सोचा कि should I think of a name? मैंने कहा why should I think of a name? You know,
Yeah.
she'll think of a name.
हाँ, वो जो भी सुनेगी,
Yeah, जो भी उसको जो सही लगेगा, I think I'll. वो तो भी हल्की सी आवाज निकालती है, and I'm like, yeah, I know.
अच्छा, what is the sweetest thing about her, you know? About
Right now,
Yeah.
that she has brought so much happiness into our lives that something that we didn't know we were capable of.
Yeah.
The joy that we are experiencing right now, both families, I didn't know we were capable of it.
ड्रामों में वो यही होता है कि उसको दिखाते हैं लड़कियां बहुत you know बोल्ड हैं लेकिन चीख रही चिल्ला रही हैं. Are we going to see the same kind of representation या यहाँ पे इस बार थोड़ा different है?
I don't think it's a stereotypical representation because we were very mindful of the fact कि अगर कोई लड़की इंटेलिजेंट है और सब बोलती है तो
Yeah.
ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो वेस्टर्न कपड़े पहनकर सब बोलने के लिए आए.
Okay,
You know, we were very
good.
very clear with
Yeah.
that कि you know वो जो and of course there's nothing wrong with that
No,
either,
no,
but
not
there's a
at all.
stereotype type of these kind of characters. So we tried to stay away from that as much as we could. I think I tried to keep it as honest, as real as possible. You know, you'd say, I think that there are many kinds of independence, but I would like her to be very positively independent,
Yeah.
not something which someone should be afraid of or or parents should be worried about, not that zone at all. But I try to keep it as honest as possible, as practical as possible. कि ऐसी लड़की अगर हो तो वो ये सब कर सके जो ये लड़की कर रही है.
Yeah. तो हम फिजा को कोई अपनी इंडिपेंडेंस प्रूफ करने के लिए थप्पड़ लगाते हुए नहीं देखेंगे ना
अल्लाह,
किसी
नहीं,
मर्द
नहीं,
को.
नहीं, नहीं.
You- because
नहीं,
this,
नहीं.
I'm sorry but this is the classic representation that's happening of today's girl on TV.
I
And मुझे बहुत
understand.
शिकवा है उससे.
I think कि हर तरह के see there's so many kinds of people in the
But
world.
आप एक उसको लेके नहीं कर सकते ना.
I
If
know,
you look
but
at our dramas,
I still feel
typically
कि
that's what
हर
happens.
कैरेक्टर ना जो भी कोई भी किसी ड्रामे में एक फ्लॉड कैरेक्टर भी होता है ना वो किसी ना किसी सेट ऑफ पीपल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू वुडंट लाइक टू सी इट ओवर एंड ओवर,
Yes, yeah.
बट आई वुड थिंक कि फिजा ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट्स a certain kind of people. She can't represent the woman because you know the woman of today is so diverse.
That's
How can
so
you
true.
how can one person represent
Yeah.
the woman of today? You know, it's
Here,
not
here
possible.
comes the the magical words from the Mavra. ये आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली
ये
है.
बात सच है.
ये बात बिल्कुल सच है.
हाँ.
एंड ये आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट रेज किया. फॉर माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल्सो, यस वी कैन नॉट डिफाइन all the women of today by just
By
one
just one character.
But I would like कि majority को अच्छी चीज़ों से करें, not by थप्पड़.
I agree, but I also feel that when I watch characters on screen, sometimes it's a character that is probably like a bad character, but they're traits that I can relate to, and I wouldn't think that I'm necessarily that person.
सही बात
But there's something I would like Fiza to be as human as possible. So there's something you can relate to, I can relate to,
Shades.
somebody else.